Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the OS level and making a quick backup. That prevents accidental loss. Once done, open Settings and go to Network and Internet or Connections, then Data Usage. You need to distinguish mobile data from Wi-Fi so you clear the correct counters. Tap the overview to see app-level consumption. This is where you'll act. Make sure to note the period shown, because Android tracks per billing cycle, and you want the right window before you reset or clear entries. You now clear usage where needed. Tap an app to view its data details and choose Clear Data or Clear Cache to free space and reset app counters. This removes stored usage stats and may stop rogue background transfers. If you need to reset totals, use the three-dot menu or reset statistics in data usage to zero the period counters. Make sure to pick the correct cycle date, otherwise numbers will repopulate. If an option is missing, proceed to the next slide to use developer tools or third-party settings. Finish the process by using developer options or a DB when UI options aren't present. A DB shell commands can reset network stats for advanced users. Once you clear counters, reboot the device to ensure services restart cleanly and then verify counters under data usage. If numbers persist, make sure apps aren't syncing immediately or a carrier-side record is being shown. Disable background data and retest. Troubleshooting tip: if resets fail, toggle airplane mode, then reboot, because that forces reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.